Let's meet James, a businessman. Last week, he noticed that his garage door was not functioning properly. So, he decided to hire a maintenance service from a reputed garage door repair company. He searched on Google and found Adams Garage Doors LLC. Quickly, James called them, discussed his needs, booked a service, and got an early estimate. On the following day, their well-equipped experts came and efficiently completed the task. James was so happy with their professional services, which were also affordable. So, like him, do you also want to hire a commercial garage door maintenance service? Contact Adams Garage Doors LLC. For free estimates, call 703-623-6766 or go to adamsgaragedoors.llc.com.